Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find promo codes on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now in order to find promo codes, you must follow Bingo Blitz on different social platforms. Bingo Blitz occasionally sends promo code on different social platforms time and again. So make sure that you follow them on every platform. And this is how you do it. Here you can see the 3 lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. In the given menu, you can see this follow us option, tap on it. Here you can see their handle of different social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. So you can go on and follow them. And you need to stay updated with their posts because they time and again sends promo code through their social media platforms. And another way to get promo codes is to play different events throughout the game where you can receive promo codes. And you need to make sure to log into this game so that you won't miss any updates or any promo codes offers. So that's it. That's how you can find promo codes on Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.